Welcome to my Unreal Engine stream today. It has been a while. I did a lot of refactoring of my code and I thought it wouldn't be very interesting for streaming and I have to think a lot while refactoring, and streaming is very disturbing while I'm doing that. So that's why I did not stream for a few days. Today we will do a summary what I did and maybe a short task afterwards. So I'm starting the engine and I can show you a little bit of the refactor code, but basically I just made it pretty and I made the building code nice. I'm not sure what to show you in the code, but I think I will just show you the result. So the first thing is I added some food gathering, a kitchen, and if you don't feed your worker, they will move slower. So let's check out. I will build 3 houses here and 1 hunter's hut. There's only this deer here, but the hunter will hunt it down, so I will set this to the hunter's hut. And now you can see he's going slow because they have no food. So now he's going to the hunter's hut and then we will hunt this deer. So, and then we need a kitchen. We build it here. This will be the cook. And this one will be the transport guy. So now we have 10 meat. The transport guy will get the meat. And while he's doing this, we will build a lumberjack hut. Here. And the guy from the hunter's hut will go to the lumberjack hut. So they are going a little bit strange. I'm not sure why, but I have to fix the slow movement. But for now it's okay. They are just carrying very heavy stuff. So now he is gathering the wood, and now the kitchen should work. Okay, I will do another transport character because this one have to move the long way. So this guy takes the food and brings it to this house, and now when he has food, now he's running fast. Perfect. And now he brings food to the other building. Oh, he ate it already. So the timings are not set right now. But it is working. So now he brings food to his building. Oh, I don't have a job anymore, but when I said, oh no, now it is. See, this one is running fast now because it's food and heat. So this will somehow be the game loop. You need to have enough food for all your worker, and of course when you have more work you need more food, more kitchens, more meat gathering, and so on. Another thing I've done is the mining building. So these are slots, and when you set character for the mining building, oh, he was in the wrong building. He goes there and get a stone in this case, but now we check when we do none. And which building is he going? Okay, it's good. Not sure why he was in the wrong building, but it doesn't matter now. So, and this is the game right now. I also did some collision stuff. And so that you can build building with overlapping world surface, and you can building in the air. So not too easy to test. So here, and then it's in the air. When the corner is in the air, the building cannot be built. So I also added these animals. They are roaming around. I can change it easily to other animals. And the hunter is walking to the animal. and takes it with him. So we will need some animations later for the hunter to shoot the arrow with a bow or something like this. Okay, so what we are doing today. We could finish this food effect, or we add building costs. But before this, I want to change something because I'm always annoyed when I build a building. I want the building to be turned in my direction like this. No matter how the camera is turned. So that means we want to rotate the ghost building on spawn. This should be in the controller. Spawn ghost building. And this one, the rotator is 0. But it should be the rotator of the pawn, player pawn. So let's check it out. So let's see. Get pawn. Get control rotation. Let's see what we get with this. Get control location. I copy this log. So I'm not sure. So we just so we use this. Press S here. So now when we want to spawn, we should lock the rotation of the pawn. So when we log it, we can see if this is the correct value for our propose. I'm not sure. So we have to wait a little. Okay, let's see. We open the app lock. And now when we spawn this, 390, then we rotate this. Okay, the value is changing. So now it's the same, then I turn around. Now it changed. This is good. So then we have to turn the buildings all in the right direction. That means we will use one building. I take the lumberjack cut. And this one should be turned correctly. That means like I'm not sure if this doesn't matter. Okay, we use the Lambda cut, and now when we build the Lambda cut, so it's like this, and I'm going to turn here. It's correct. And I turn here. So basically we try now is to just get the rotation of the pawn and use it for the spawning of the ghost building, and then we only have to turn it to the right direction. So we recompile. And now the building should be rotated. Oh! Now you can see we are rotating in the wrong direction. So with pitch, draw and roll, we only want the pitch. So we create a new rotator with pitch, draw and roll, where draw and roll are just 0. Copy this. And here to the spawn and recompile. Let's see. Okay, it's still turning. see if we open this building. Okay, we have to turn the jaw. Okay, I used the wrong value. We don't change the pitch, we change the yaw. Or jaw, I really don't know how to pronounce it. We do live recompile. And then we hope it is rotating along the correct axis. So now I see it from the back. Now also. Okay, now it's just okay, this is interesting. The buildings are not turned the same. So we have red on the front, green on the side. Red on the front, green on the side. Okay, we will just turn around the buildings. But first, so basically the code is working, it's always turned, but I want it to turn around 180 degrees. Let's see how we do this. So we have multiple options. We could do it in the building blueprint. But I would like to keep it that way. So we Add plus 180 here. Let's recompile. And let's see what's. And now it's correct. But not with the house. So let's see what's the difference here. Red should be in the front, so we will turn the meshes for 90. Oh, that was not good. So I'll move it back here. We have to fix the locations a little bit. The arrows. Do not perfectly fit anymore. And what is this? Output arrow component. Residential building doesn't have an output component. And the spawn component. Let's move back here. And what is this? The input arrow component. Also here. So now we check out the house again. So now when we spawn it, it is turning in our direction. This is good. I'm not sure if I want to turn it around along with my mouse movement. I think I won't, because this is very strange. So let's go to the controller, blueprint. So confused right now. Where is the look around? Oh, import. Of course it is here. So now I could rotate player controller. So if we look around, we get the controller. We cast it to a player controller. And we want to get the current ghost building. When we have a current ghost building, we want to set the rotation. And the rotation should be like we did here. Get control rotation. And we split the pins and only use pitch. Or is it pitch? No. Yeah. plus 180. And now let's see what's happening. Let me check out. Yes. Okay, I don't want to have this. The problem now is if I turn it like this and then I look around, it snaps back to the original. That's not easy. Okay, this is... I didn't think of that. How do I solve this? I will leave this out. I could save these values and edit, but I think that's stupid. I will leave it that way. It's much better now. When I build a building, the door is always looking in my camera perspective. Very good. So we did this, and now we would have one more topic to add costs, building costs, but I will leave it for today. I don't want to have such long videos. Next time we will add costs to the building so that they are not for free, and we add food effects so that residents are working slower when they don't have food in their home buildings. So, and then the last thing on my list is to add tools for the workers. They should have an inventory, and you can add tools like pickaxe, and with this they are faster mining workers or something like this. This was it for today's stream and video. Have a nice day. See you.